We know that many in our community are concerned about social distancing and protecting themselves and their families from the coronavirus. At Medford's County Market, we offer the option for our customers to shop online for the groceries and pick up at our curb. We have even waived the picking fees during this challenging time. Some have expressed an interest in shopping online, but they don't know where to start. We are here to help you with that. We are going to break our online shopping tutorial into a few different steps. Number one, how to create a new account. This would be for first-time users only. Number two, how to log in once you have that account created. Number three, how to search for products and add them to your cart. And then finally, how to complete your purchase, review your order, select pickup time, and select your payment. The first step of our tutorial is how to create an account. This is for our first-time users only. The first step in this is to go to our website at medfordcountymarket.com. You will then click on Shop Online. There may be a pop-up that shows up, and if so, click on Register. If the pop-up does not show up, Register is on the upper right-hand corner of the screen, so click on Register. You will then enter the requested information. Please make note of your name and your password because you will need that in order to log in the next time. Please make note of the password requirements. They are listed on this registration part of the form. And then you must confirm your password to be sure you enter it in correctly. Now the loyalty number, this is where you will enter the number. If you have a patronage card with the Medford Cooperative, you will enter the number on the back of the card. And then you click Register. Once you have registered, you will get an email in the email box that you had used to register. When you get that email, there will be a button that says Activate My Account. Click on Activate My Account, which will then bring you back to our website to this page. From here, click on Go Shopping. On this page, you will log in, and that brings us to the next step in our tutorial, which is logging in once you have an account set up. Click on Log In on the upper right-hand corner and enter your email address and password. Then click Log In, and then you're ready to shop. Next, we are going to cover how to search for products and then add them to your cart. There are many ways that you can now shop for your items. You can use the search option at the top and enter what you're looking for, such as milk. Another way to shop is to shop our specials. This will load any of the specials going on in the store at the time. And then another way to shop is by department. So click on Shop Now on the left, and then you can choose a department like dairy. And then if you choose dairy, there are different departments within dairy: butter, creams and cheeses, eggs, milk. And then the different options that you have for milk will pop up. This will also include any sale items that we have. Once you find the milk or the item that you're looking for, if you'd like more information, click on the item itself. Or simply add it to your cart. You can add it to your cart from the information screen or the original screen with all of the options. Now that it has been added to the cart, you will see on the gallon that we added that it says 1 in cart for $2.50. You will also see in the upper right-hand corner of the screen that there's 1 item in your cart for a total of $2.50. If you accidentally add something to your cart, you are able to click the minus sign on the left. To add it back to your cart, you would add the plus sign, or if you'd like to increase the number of items that you have, you can continue to click the plus sign until it gets to the quantity that you desire. One of the options you have, if you click on the item you'd like, there is an option to substitute if that specific brand is unavailable. So you can choose to substitute if it's unavailable or do not substitute. If you are very specific with a brand that you prefer, then click do not substitute. If you are open to other brands at that same price, then click that you are open for a substitution. To find your next item, go to whichever search feature that you would like. We are going to go to bananas. One of the comments that I have heard about shopping online is a concern about produce. And one of the options that you have, if you add some bananas to your cart, actually click on the banana to get some more information. You can then add it to your cart. And then there, under the quantity, there is a little note to add customer notes. So click on add customer notes, and you can specify how brown or yellow or green you would like your bananas. We have professional pickers who are very careful to get your produce the way you would like it. One thing to note with produce is whether you are buying 1 piece of the produce, 1 pound of the produce, or in this example, 1 bunch of the produce. This here, you can see that bananas are 69 cents per pound, and 1 bunch is approximately 2.5 pounds each. So that would equal $1.73. So once you have everything in your cart that you'd like, click on the cart in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This is the final step, and in this step, you will want to verify the quantities in what you have in your cart and be sure that it is accurate. If everything in your cart is correct, proceed to checkout. This will bring you to the screen where you can choose your time slot. The time slot is the 1-hour period where you will come pick up your order. If you see expired in the box, that means that there is not enough time to pick your order before that time slot. The time slots that say free are available for you to choose for your order to be picked up in that time slot. If you happen to see a line through the box, what that means is that that time slot is full. One of the things we have done is add additional staff to be able to pick more orders during this time where we expect an influx of online orders. In this case, we would like to pick up our order tomorrow at 5 p.m. On the bottom of the screen, it will show you the time you selected, and if it is correct, proceed to personal details. On this screen, verify that your information is correct and add any pickup instructions. Some examples of pickup instructions might be that your son or daughter, or you have someone else assigned who will be picking up the order. Once you have confirmed that information, click on Continue. This is the screen where you will enter your payment information, your credit card information. Fill in the information on the screen and then click Next. Once you enter your payment information, then it will bring you to the portion where you can review the details before you place the order. Be sure that all of the information is correct. And then at that point, review your order. Be sure that the items are correct. And then at the bottom of the screen, you will place your order. Once your order is placed, you will receive the confirmation on the screen, and you will also be sent an email. This email will confirm your order and will give you any pickup details. In addition, once your order has been picked and is ready for you to pick up at our curb, you will get another email.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our tutorial. We hope it was helpful. Happy shopping!